Well, hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Bloom, Group Publisher of Walls and Ceilings, and welcome to If Walls Could Talk. I'm so excited and honored to have with me today my good friend Harvey Barker, who is the Director of Sales and Marketing for Tool Source Warehouse. Harvey, it's great to see you. Thanks for joining me.
It's great to see you. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, we got some really fun things to talk about.
We do.
And the first thing, you guys, what's new is it's called the Load Lock Pro. First of all, what is exactly the Load Lock Pro, and what does everybody need to know?
Well, the Load Lock Pro is a brand new drywall cart that has just come onto the market, and it's got such innovations in safety that we haven't seen in decades of a change of a traditional drywall cart. And really, it's something I believe is going to take over the industry. It allows the guys who do the work every day to go home safely at the end of the day.
Well, I mean, that's what everybody wants
That's right.
when they're in their construction.
Yeah.
Let's all go home safe. So what? Tell me about how you guys developed Load Lock Pro and what makes it different.
Well, I'll tell you who developed it was two gentlemen by the name of Tom Dumais and Jeff Johnson.
Okay.
Those guys are senior safety executives with Gypsum Management Supply.
Okay.
And over their decades, they have seen countless injuries that occur when drywall carts tip.
Oh.
And people getting injured. And, you know, quite frankly, they'd had enough. And they said there has got to be a better design. So they went out, talked GMS to doing the funding. It went to the Georgia Tech Research Institute. So they partnered up with one of the leading engineering companies. I have to tip that because I went to Georgia Tech.
Oh, of course. All right, go Georgia. Yay.
So it's one of the leading engineering institutions.
Aren't you like the Jackets? Isn't Georgia Tech the Jackets?
Yellow Jackets.
Oh, the Yellow
we
Jackets.
are.
Okay.
Yeah, the Yellow Jackets. And so 2 years they tested this cart, and now we believe we've got something that every worker who goes home at the end of the day that totes drywall can count 10 fingers and 10 toes.
That's awesome. Well, we can't wait to help everyone just get one of these because everyone needs to be safer.
It was their vision. I mean, everybody should thank Jeff and Tom Dumais because it was their vision and their passion to get this project done.
Yeah.
And they got it done, and they got it done right.
Well, let's talk about the details a little bit and about some of the differences. So what are the differences from a traditional to Load Lock Pro that make it safer?
Well, a traditional drywall cart has been around forever, right?
Yeah.
Decades upon decades. And, you know, there's nothing wrong with the design now, but they're inherently unstable. When
Yes.
you put them onto a job site where there's extension cords or there's uneven plywood or an uneven floor, it's got a lot of weight on it,
Yeah.
and so anything could happen to where it starts to tip.
Okay.
And the interesting thing is that 83% of the accidents, the drywall cart actually tips forward, not backwards.
Oh, interesting.
So
okay.
that's where the problem really lies.
Okay.
So how do you stop that? Well,
Yeah,
it's
so
got three features that
Okay.
no other drywall
Ooh, I
cart
can't wait.
has.
Okay,
Yeah,
tell
the
me.
first one is the drywall retention bar, which is actually a bar that comes up and over the drywall to stabilize it on the cart
Okay.
to keep that top part from tipping.
Perfect.
And the second part is called a load latch. It's actually at the bottom of the cart. You flip it up, keeps the bottom of the drywall from sliding off the cart. But the real revolutionary thing, I think, is the lateral reinforcement arms.
Okay.
I like to call them outriggers. They stow under the cart.
Okay.
When you start to use it, they're spring activated, so you just kick them out. And now it provides balance on both sides of the cart. It extends the base. But the important thing that needed to be done was the guys still have to go through small door openings, right?
Right.
They still have a space that they have to work in. So these reinforcement arms actually flex in, and then when they clear, they flex back out.
Oh,
so it allows
fascinating.
them to do the same job but do it safely.
Oh, that is awesome. I love it. And so where do people go? Where do contractors that are listening, anybody that needs a drywall cart like this, where do they go? Where can they go find them?
Well, the only place that it's available is through Tool Source Warehouse
Okay.
and our dealer network. So
Okay.
if you're a contractor, get with your local drywall supply company. They can contact us. We can supply them with this cart.
Okay.
If you're a dealer, then you can call us directly and you can get the new Load Lock Pro.
I love it. So what's the website? Where do they go?
LoadLockPro.com. LOADLOCK Pro.com.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, Harvey, thank you so much for joining me.
you're
It's
more-
so great to talk about safety. It's something that's so important for everybody in this
Well,
industry.
you know, this cart isn't about money. It's not about
Yeah.
putting a new drywall cart on the market. It truly isn't. It's about everybody who in our industry who has to do this job.
Yeah.
They go home safely to their family. And again, they have all their fingers and toes.
I love it. Well,
Yeah.
we are so honored to help tell the
thanks for
industry about
having me.
this. Really appreciate it, Harvey.
Thank you.
And again, tell me the website,
LoadLockPro.com.
Awesome.
Yes.
It's great. And if anybody has any questions for us, it's wconline.com. And while you're there, make sure you sign up for all our free content, follow us on our social media channels. Most importantly, stay safe and healthy. And thank you to Harvey. We're going to make everyone safer. But we can't wait to talk to you soon. Thanks again, Harvey.
Thank you. I appreciate you.